As a Jamaican, we don't dash out overripe ripe bananas. Stay tuned for my ripe banana pancake. Hey guys, welcome back. Would you try a banana pancake recipe, homemade? Well, welcome to my video. Today I'll be making some homemade banana pancakes. I use 3 overripe bananas, 2 cups flour, 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, 1.5 tablespoon baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 egg, a cup buttermilk, a little vanilla bean paste because that's my business and I wanted to. You can pause the video. My ingredients will be on the screen as I go along. Welcome to my channel. It's been a while. It's been a week or 2. And because your girl wants to be creative, I decided today, why not make some banana pancakes, homemade. I was working, hungry, and I just decided, why not make an American breakfast? So it will be pancakes, bacon, and eggs. And listen, your girl got this. American style breakfast this morning for you all, or when you see this video. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Don't be mean with it. Please remember to give the video a like. Scrambled eggs. I beat 2 eggs and I added a little buttermilk, and I will add my pepper and salt when I'm ready. To get my turkey bacon crispy, I added me a little unsalted butter in my iron skillet to make my bacon a little crispy. For my eggs, I added some milk and I added me the salt and the black pepper. After I added this in my pot, and look how a girl make her eggs really fluffy. And then on the side, I'm about to add my ripe banana pancake in my skillet with some unsalted butter. You can add as much butter as you want. And listen, I love my edges crispy on my pancake. Yes, a girl love her pancake crispy. Now for my eggs, look at them. And of course, I added a little of my buttermilk in it. You can also add water to help to make your eggs really fluffy. You leave them in the pot, and then once you see it start forming, then you just push it aside to get your eggs. And that's how I get my scrambled eggs looking the way how it looks. Feel free to add cheese. All I added was a little black pepper and a little hint of salt. I love my eggs. Well done. Once done, feel free to sprinkle cheese on yours. I just wanted mine's like this because I'll be having pancake syrup on my ripe banana pancakes. Under very low heat, leave your eggs to dry out if you love them like I love them. If you like your eggs wet, then leave them. And within like 10 minutes, my American breakfast was ready, and I just added a little powdered sugar on top of my banana pancakes. Listen, my breakfast was lit. My breakfast was bigger than yours. Yes, it was. It was bigger than yours. And listen, on the side, I did some fruits. Listen, this was a whole day meal, American style breakfast. I'm so tired, but I wanted to show my face for a quick minute to show you how I indulged in my breakfast. I ate my pancake with some blueberries that I had on the side and some strawberry. Feel free to do whatever you choose with yours. This was my American style / Jamaican girl breakfast. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to drop a comment and let me know what you think. Quick and easy breakfast. Hungry, tired, but listen, I had to steal a few minutes to do this video for you. Hi, bye, stay tuned, and I'll see you in another video. Don't forget to give your girl a like. It's free. Don't be mean with it. Don't be mean. Just pause the video and give your girl a like.